So this here is called the GS-50. This machine is an automatic floor scrubber. They're capable of being used as full autonomous scrubbers as well as manual use. So say you've got a spill somewhere or whatever, you can always just hit manual mode and go just clean that one spot. So the GS-50, you notice it has cameras all the way around. It has sensors in such ways that it cannot fall off stairs. We open the main lid up right here. We have our solution tank here in the front. It does have a couple cartridges in here, so if we wanted to use the recycle feature on this, we could. This machine has a charge plate on the back here where it can go to a dock station and charge. While it's backed into a dock station, similar to this little guy here, but it's bigger. We call it a workstation. There is a probe that goes in through here that'll fill up the clean water tank, as well as down here where it pumps out the dirty water, all at the same time while it's charging. So this guy will run for 4 to 6 hours on a charge or until it runs out of water. When it does, it goes back to the workstation, plugs in, charges, refills, dumps, goes back to work. If by any chance I need to drain this thing manually, there's a manual drain hose right here. I can drain out the entire dirty water tank. It does have a filter system here that we can trap all the large debris so it doesn't get stuck in my pump while it's pumping out the dirty water. This machine is for scrubbing hard surfaces only, wet cleaning. On the back of here is where the magic happens. If I push this button right here, that squeegee pulls right off and I can change my blades out without taking the whole machine apart. I rotate this thing around and open up my trap door here. I have a splash skirt. Then underneath that splash skirt is where my brush is. And that brush is just held on with magnets. It also has a wear indicator to tell me when the brushes are worn out, I can get new ones. They're pretty soft. It does come with pad drivers. You can put red pads on for doing wax floor or any shiny surface depending on what your cleaning needs are. There's 2 of these, one on each side. And to put them on, you just slide it back underneath there. Without even looking, they magnetize themselves right back on. I'm just gonna hit play. We're gonna scrub this floor.